First put in the sugar, then add the flour, then add the baking powder and then the butter. Then add the eggs. After that, mix it. First, put the icing sugar and butter in a bowl. Then mix them together. Then add the milk and the flavouring that you want.